So that whole image of IIT Kharagpur is different than every other IIT because we don't have suicides, just disappeared and evaporated. Yeah, how many of our smartest people do end up getting into PhD programs and getting into research? Fourth year, mein, my girlfriend started preparing for CAT. Sath mein, I also started preparing for CAT. And I joined McKinsey in India. If you're investing in there, you're taking a substantially large risk. So I would have been a junior there. That would have been fun, dating a senior.
I still don't get it. And again, I do want to get it.
Yeah, after IIMs, a lot of us, most of us, do end up in fairly high stress jobs.
I'm going to blame this on dyslexia.
Life is a little bit more forgiving than that.
What can you measure and what can you drive social change through?
अरे B schools में यार the diversity of age is much wider.
So far from real life is something that did not appeal to me.
The unwritten rule was you don't take more than 3 finance courses in a trimester because they're pretty hard. At McKinsey, there was this thing what your managers would always tell you that every year or so go back and look at the kind of work you did last year, and unless you're ashamed of your work, you're not growing, you're not learning.
The family wealth typically does not exist, and it's their ticket to a new life.
Think of a large brewery with a large brewer. It's only the bottom quartile that is probably losing money, but then that's very geography dependent.
What's the exact word? Let me note it down.
McKinsey, Bain, BCG, typically the leaders of strategy consulting. I don't know if you've seen the recent classes by the way.
That D took out the DML aspirations from me.
She went to IIM Bangalore, moved to London, and has been in London.
वो वहीं से लंदन में आ गई.
I don't think any of us are arguing that the solution that they've implemented is the perfect solution. I don't think it's perfect. We're very lucky to get anything at any of the older IITs stuff. So they tend to stay a little bit away from deep tech investments until a lot of mainstream investors are also picking them up.
You can potentially kick the can down the road.
In my second year, there were 6 deaths in the campus,
Wow.
5 of them suicides. So fourth year, I realized this is a topic I really want to do something about.
वो पैसा
Generally,
med food,
med-
दारू and everything else में जाता है. ठीक है, स्टूडेंट वो मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए पैसा नहीं देने वाला है, आपको one pound per month भी नहीं देगा.
But the difficult bit was getting people to raise their hand and ask for help. So
Yes.
yeah, there was very clear trend that I could see that yes, my performance is improving. Got shortlist from a bunch of the second tier, third tier IIMs, but not from ABC. And I was like, this I can't do that. I will not do like a mistake like that again.
People analyze, people go back, they learn from their mistake and make sure that tomorrow I'm better than today, and that trajectory keeps going up, and wherever it leads you. I mean, to
Yeah.
me, it's like everything is climate related.
If you're investing in there, you're taking a substantially large risk. Yes, there is crypto, but crypto is not really a traditional investment asset class. It's more of a trading asset.
वो जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि
Move
गर्लफ्रेंड
forward.
हो गई लेकिन शादी नहीं हुई, 5 साल से गर्लफ्रेंड हो गई लेकिन शादी नहीं हुई, that type of miss I'm talking about. I'm not talking about कि यार एक डेट हुई और उसके बाद शादी नहीं हुई और वो उसकी शादी अंबानी से हो गई, वो थोड़ी ना वो होता है. Then we will join the what I consider the chief contributors of forwarders in WhatsApp University.